motion. Motion is nothing but the fish swims in a water. Okay, bicycle run on a road. Okay, railway moves on a track. Okay, bird flies. That all things is, this is nothing but these all are the motions. Okay, the concept of motion is specially mentioned as the particle moves, it changes its position with respect to time. टाइम जैसा जैसा बढ़ रहा वैसा क्या ऑब्जेक्ट क्या कर रहा, उसका पोजीशन चेंज कर रहा. ओके, इफ द ऑब्जेक्ट डज नॉट चेंजेस इट्स पोजीशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम, that is nothing but body or object is at rest. Okay, we can say motion. The for motion, okay, reference point is important. Okay, we can say, I want to explain, I want to give one example. Okay, here we can say school is 10 kilometer north of railway station. क्या है, स्कूल क्या है, 10 किलोमीटर नॉर्थ है रेलवे स्टेशन से. तो हियर रेलवे स्टेशन इज योर रेफरेंस पॉइंट. रेलवे स्टेशन क्या है तुम्हारा, रेफरेंस पॉइंट है. रेलवे स्टेशन इज योर रेफरेंस पॉइंट. और इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज ओरिजिन. इसको अपन ओरिजिन भी बोल सकते हैं. ओके, आई विल गिव वन द बेस्ट एग्जांपल. जो पैसेंजर्स मोटर बस में बैठे होते हैं उसको क्या लगता, उसका साइड का जो नेबरर है, ओके, इट फील्स ही इज एट रेस्ट. एंड हियर द फर्स्ट पर्सन इज द रेफरेंस. फर्स्ट पर्सन इज द रेफरेंस हियर यू कैन यूज. एंड व्हेन the passenger, the person who is side of the road and if bus is moving, बस जा रही, पर्सन क्या है साइड ऑफ द रोड खड़ा है, तो उसको क्या लगता, द बस एंड द पैसेंजर्स हु हैज सीटेड इन दैट बस बोथ आर इन मोशन. एंड द पर्सन हु हैज सीटेड इन बस, इफ ही लुक्स आउटसाइड द विंडो, व्हाट ही फील्स, the bus is moving forward and trees are moving in a backward direction. Trees are moving in a backward direction. उसको जो आदमी बस में बैठा है उसको क्या लगता है कि जो ट्रीज है वो क्या हो रहे, पीछे पीछे जा रहे. लेकिन it is not like that. Okay, in these all three conditions the reference point has changed. Okay, पहले में क्या दोनों भी रेस्ट थे. दूसरा पर्सन अलॉन्ग साइड रोड साइड को क्या था, खड़ा था, उसको बस और पैसेंजर क्या लग रहे थे, इन मोशन दिख रहे थे, बिकॉज ही इज इन रेस्ट. वो क्या रेस्ट में था. और थर्ड कंडीशन में जो पर्सन हु हैज सीटेड इन बस, ही लुक्ड, ही पिप्ड आउटसाइड द विंडो एंड ही फाउंड trees are moving in backward direction. Here what happens, the reference point has changed. Okay, if reference point has changed, according to that, the best example, the जो भी इस अर्थ के ऊपर है वो these all are in motion. Whatever may be the object, you are in motion, I am in motion. Okay, this fan is motion, this bulb is motion, all are in motion because our earth always rotates. Our earth always rotates. That's why we can say that's why we can say each and everything on the earth is in motion because earth is rotating continuously. Okay, due to the motion of the earth we are observing sunset, sunrise and whatever may be the seasonable changes, that all are due to the earth, rotation of the earth. रोटेशन के अर्थ के वजह से सनसेट, सनराइज और जो सीजन चेंज हो रहा, समर विंटर एंड मानसून. ओके, जो भी कुछ चेंजेस है वो ड्यू टू द रोटेशन ऑफ द अर्थ. ओके, then after motion we will see the motion. We have seen what is the reference point. Reference point अपन ने देखा. Okay, this is the best example of the reference point. We can say anything. Okay, right now I am at the left side of the board. Of the board is the reference point. Right now I am at the middle of the board. Okay, of the board means board is a reference point. Right now I am at the right end of the board, means board in the all these cases board is your reference point. Okay, after that we will see motion in a straight line. Okay, motion in a straight line. This is the very simple type of motion. Motion in a straight line. Motion in straight line. The best example of this we can consider. Okay, motion in straight line means this is the 2D motion. Okay, this is 2D motion. We are in 9th standard, we are learning only 2D motions. In 11th standard, okay, we will move for 3D motions. Okay, if this is the starting point and as time passes it moves from point A, initial point, to final point. This is origin 0, this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, okay, and this is 16. You can, I will first object, your object is at rest at this point. After that it moves towards this, from this A point. After as the time passes he goes here to B point. After that he moves here to C point, and at the last he moves to the end of this straight line part at a D point. Okay, I will plot. Before that I want to explain one term, what is distance and what is displacement. The distance is nothing but the total path covered by the body. Total path covered by a body or particle. Okay, that is nothing but distance. The displacement is nothing but the shortest path, shortest distance between final and initial point. Shortest distance. Okay, जो सबसे कम डिस्टेंस है ओके ऑब्जेक्ट का, वो इनिशियल पॉइंट और एंड पॉइंट, फाइनल पॉइंट के बीच में का. ओके, दैट इज नथिंग बट डिस्प्लेसमेंट. वी विल सी बाय एग्जांपल, बाय अ डिफरेंट एग्जांपल what is distance and displacement. Okay, I will first consider here position when object moves from position, then distance, after that displacement. After that displacement. Okay, first we will see when body moves from O to D. Okay, from point O to D. First condition, first condition is object moves from O to D. Okay, what has distance covered by that object is, this distance is given in centimeter. Okay, distance has given in centimeter. Okay, in this direction. Okay, centimeter. And first from O to D, the distance covered, that is nothing but we know that distance is total path covered by a body, that is 16. Here displacement is the shortest distance between, shortest distance from initial point to final point. Initial point is this O. Okay, here O indicates 0. Okay, and to 16, that is nothing but 16. Okay, after that object moves to D and come back to C. Okay, return आ गया, तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या हो गया, तो डिस्टेंस क्या हो गया, द ऑब्जेक्ट मूव्स फ्रॉम O to D, then after D to C, क्या हो गया, D से बाद में वो C तक आया, तो डिस्टेंस क्या हो गया, सो डिस्टेंस इज दिस OD plus DC, OD plus DC we can write OD plus DC, okay, OD is your 16 plus your DC is this 2 and this 2 4, that is 20 centimeter, okay, that is 20 centimeter. The displacement here from O to C, that is nothing but the shortest distance from initial point and final point, that is 0 to 12 is 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter, okay. Then distance from O to B, first object, your object moves from O to D, after that it changes its direction, वो direction change किया, then he came here to B, B तक आया, okay, it changes its direction, direction क्या हो गया उसका, change हो गया. First we can say O से D तक गया, then D to B, it returned from D to B, so we can here write first O to D plus D to B, okay, O to D is 16 centimeter plus D to B, 2 plus 2 plus 2 6 centimeter, 16 plus 6 is 22 centimeter, okay. This is the distance, distance is nothing but total path covered by that body, okay. Here डायरेक्शन इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, ओके, डायरेक्शन का कोई इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है डिस्टेंस में, बट डिस्प्लेसमेंट में इट्स it does a lot, it, okay. So the displacement between O to D, displacement is nothing but shortest distance between these 2 points, O to D is nothing but 10 centimeter. What is displacement? Displacement is shortest distance between these 2 points. इधर डायरेक्शन चेंज जो हो रहा वो बहुत मैटर हो रहा, ओके, डिस्प्लेसमेंट में. दैट्स व्हाई डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. वी विल सी व्हाट इज स्केलर एंड व्हाट इज वेक्टर आल्सो, ओके, वो भी अपन देखेंगे. सो लास्ट पॉइंट, द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड, ओ से गया डी तक और क्या हो गया, डी से और रिटर्न ओ तक आया, ओके, ओ टू डी देन रिटर्न टू ओ से डी तक गया, डी से रिटर्न तक गया. डिस्टेंस क्या हो गया, दे 16 और रिटर्न का 16, ओके, 32 हो गया. 16 प्लस 16 क्या हो गया, 32 है. जाने का 36 16 और आने का 16, तो 32 सेंटीमीटर हो गया, डिस्टेंस कवर्ड हो गया. डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना हो गया, जाने का 32 और रिटर्न वही. हियर द बोथ द पॉइंट्स इनिशियल एंड फाइनल पॉइंट्स आर सेम, दैट्स व्हाई द डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज 0 सेंटीमीटर. Displacement is 0 centimeter. Okay, from this we can understand if the initial and final point, both point are same, then displacement and distance both are, okay, there is a change in distance and displacement. Distance और displacement क्या रहता, change होता. So after that we will see what is scalar quantity, what is vector quantity. We will see what is speed, what is, after that we will see what is speed and what is velocity. First of all, the scalar quantity is the quantity which having only magnitude, okay. Scalar quantity is the quantity having only magnitude, and vector quantity is the quantity which having magnitude as well as direction, okay. We can see here scalar quantity, here is vector quantity. Okay, we will differentiate these all, both the terms, and first difference is a quantity having only magnitude, is called as scalar quantity. The quantity having both magnitude as well as direction is called as vector quantity. Okay, the quantity having both magnitude as well as direction. Okay, I will write here in short. Okay, a quantity having both magnitude as well as direction is called as vector quantity. Is called vector quantity. Okay, जिसमें डायरेक्शन का importance है. Okay, that is vector quantity. I will give the examples of vector quantity, where scalar quantity where direction is not important. We can say the first example is time, temperature, okay, distance, okay, energy, okay, work done, power, okay, etc. So these are the examples where these are the quantities where magnetic direction is not important. Okay, you can say many more. Okay, mass and all that. Okay, here the example of vector quantity are, okay, weight, force, displacement, velocity, okay, momentum, okay. I hope you have understood the quantities which have magnitude as well as direction. Okay, that are the vector quantities, and only direction. Okay, only magnitude have, that are the scalar quantity. And then after we will say what is speed and what is velocity. Okay, these are the very basic and important terms. After that we will move towards a numerical. Okay, उसके बाद अपन numerical start करेंगे. Okay. Here speed and here is velocity. Difference is important. Okay, this is first difference is, this is a scalar quantity, okay, this is vector quantity. Okay, the second most important difference is the speed is nothing but total distance covered. Okay, is defined as total distance covered per unit time. Total distance covered per unit time. Per unit time. Okay, and this is nothing but shortest distance between initial and final point. Shortest distance from initial point to final point. Okay, this can be given as in the formula. Okay, in the formula speed is given as distance covered by time, and this velocity is given by displacement divided by time, and whereas displacement is nothing but shortest distance from initial to final point. Okay, fourth important point, that is SI unit. SI unit is meter per second, okay, or meter second raised to power minus 1. Same, having same unit. Okay, SI unit is meter per second or meter second raised to power minus 1. Okay, dimensions are also important. Dimensions, as unit is same, dimensions are also same. Here mass is not there, that's why m raised to power 0. Length, distance is measured in length, that's why l raised to power 1. Time, okay, डिनोमीटर में ऊपर जाके माइनस होगा, t raised to power minus 1. okay, same. Dimensions of displacement, that velocity is m0 l1 t raised to power minus 1. okay, so these are the basic difference between all that things. okay, what is scalar, what is vector, what is speed, and what is